I have myself here a Govee dual thermometer. I'm hoping to use these on my freezers that I have, but we'll find out because freezers can go down at any time. I actually bought a new freezer and the filter got plugged so much that it shut off. I was like, it was only a couple months in too. Just different dust got in there. I'm hoping that these will tell me when it goes out and starts lowering, and I can use them for different stuff if I want. We're gonna test batteries included. Sweet. 3 AAA batteries. Link will be in the description below. I got this for a Christmas present, so I don't know how much it's running right now. But Govee stuff is normally a bit overpriced now, but very good quality. Comes with a hub. Join Govee Home. Your journey begins now. I already have the app, so I'm bypassing a lot of that. Got to unplug something, so I'm going to plug that hub in. We have ourselves 2 individual sensors. We have ourselves the brick. Has a nice little wrap around it. Looks like it's right in the middle, so it's kind of inconvenient. When it's offset, at least it's not trying to take up another spot. It says 25 milliamp hours. This doesn't use hardly any power. I'm going to plug it into the wall, and it is going to light up red and blue. Can you guys see that over there? Now it's solid red. Let's go ahead and go to the next thing. Nice little installation thing in there. And I already have one of them. I have 2. User manual, the smallest language you can possibly find. If you guys want to read this, pause it, screenshot, look at your screenshots. And we're into a different language? Nope. Still English. Wow. Finger's probably in the way of half of this. There we go. Then we have making life smarter. Whatever that is. Then we have ourselves a box. And it has 2 mounts in it, it's looking like. Oh gosh. Okay, so we have a lanyard, 2 lanyards, a probe. On the end of it, it looks like another, that you plug that into the unit, and then it looks like you almost have to, you have another one. Sorry, still getting over a little bit of a sickness. So I'm going to be running that into my freezers and then plugging them in. Get 1 per unit. We'll look at how long they are. Looks like we got a, not 3M, but just a standard stick on something. Looks like a zip tie hole right there. Oh, that holds the extraness. I'll get to that in a second. They give you plenty of extras. Look at all this. So let's unbox one of them. Just I'm gonna look at the condition of it. Pretty good. Now let's look at this one for a review. Okay, so we got a little pull off. That one has the pull off to get the battery going. Looks like that's where we're gonna be sticking the probe in. Doesn't look like that. I would say this takes the extra cord. So this nice finish on it. No tear off on the back. Looks like it has little grippy pads if you want to lay it on something flat. Again, there's that. Looks like that's the tear off if you want to change the batteries. There's 2 holes. That's all I'm saying because I don't know what they are. It says Govee Life on the bottom. Let's just take this off instead of pulling that out. Okay, we have ourselves 2 Maxwell batteries, AAA batteries, saying it's the H5108 Thermometer R1, made in China. This is not waterproof. Okay, we're gonna put that back on. Does it go in a certain way? Okay, it does go in a certain way. It goes on like that. And we have full battery. And it is not communicating over there yet. Or it is. Should we connect to that first? Let's plug one of these in. Okay, we have perfect length for what I want for sure. Let me hold it out. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 feet. One side is the probe. It's really dim lit. 70.2, and it's 73 on my nearest thermometer. Let's see if you can pull this out with the lid on it. Yep. Okay, there we go. Let's put this one as a 71. Okay, let's see if I rub it real quick, if it changes. We're just leaving this one off to the side now. I'm gonna start rubbing this, see if it gets any. Oh, look at it, it's shooting up like a rock. So it is quick. At 85. I'll take my temperature. 91, 92. That's pretty nice. Let's see it cool off. I'm gonna go ahead and get through a little bit of the app. So the Govee app currently looks like this right here on Android. Hopefully you guys are on Android. None of you are. Let's go ahead and put all this. So what I think this does is go through here, and then you wrap up the extra cord on this. See how that goes? And then you stick this wherever you need it to go. So if you need more, it isn't on that end, it's on this end, and you can actually unwind it and take it further, which is very convenient. We have extras of these because the pad probably goes on the back of this to secure to a wall or something. I'm gonna go ahead and click the plus sign on the app. Plus sign. I'm just going to turn on my Bluetooth because I forgot. And it found it right away. Oh crap, found it right away. I'm gonna go ahead and click add. It's gonna come up with my Wi-Fi, so I keep. The device is pairing. Please short press the on and off button. I'm gonna adjust it, isn't I? Bluetooth Wi-Fi gateway. I'm gonna call it sensors, temp sensors, and click done. Searching for Wi-Fi. I'm gonna do this next part. Okay, it found my Wi-Fi, no problem. Make sure you have safe password, I guess. Make sure you have 2.5 gigahertz. It's connecting. Can't show you yet. It still shows my password for my Wi-Fi. That's coming back down to the temperature, and this one's went to 68. Hard to believe, but them are pulling near correct numbers. I think Govee allows you to like change it around a little bit. It is still connecting everything up, I guess. Let's put some of this back into the box while I wait. Oh my gosh, throw my phone. Let's do a test while it's doing that. Let's see how hot it is. Oh no. I got a hairdryer here, putting off nothing yet. Instead of the actual touch and feel, this is going to be abundant air. And it's definitely working. Look at that. Let's see if it goes up to a different temperature. typed in the wrong password for my Wi-Fi, so I don't even know the temperatures that these go up to. I'm sure the manual says it, but I'm in the process of making a video, so I don't have that conveniently with me. Let's get to 125 if we can get there. Oh, that's it for it, isn't it? 100. Going back down. That is perfectly fine. So this light has now turned blue, and my phone is now telling me successfully added. Follow the instructions on the image. On this image. Oh, so I gotta go up. Add new sub device. There's an update. Okay, upgrade temp sensors. Doing it pretty quick. I have fast internet, so it's gonna go fast. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this back. I don't know what I'm putting back, but hopefully I have a lot of Govee stuff that I can actually add to that hub, but I'm not gonna push it. Okay, add new sub device. Search for new scanners. I'll let that sit while I continue to clean this up a little bit. Give me so much stuff with it. It's not finding it. Search for new sensors. Okay, just click check. Get that device actually installed, and then gateway has no okay, so if I go back here, bind it. Oh, no, it has temp sensors right there. Oh, the heck. Let's go clear back here. Okay, this is all my crap, but where is what I just added? It's not on here anywhere. Wasn't that just great? Is it on the world? No. Who knows where they put it? Okay, I actually figured it out. It's this button up here in this corner. You see that little one? It told me to do it earlier. And then gateway has nothing on it. But right here is me temp sensors. Add a device and search for new scanners. 2 seconds ago, it popped up immediately with the sensor. Why are you sensors not popping up now? Oh, I could take a battery out of one and put it back in. Do it to this one. That one's still calming down from the heat. I don't really care for the Maxwell batteries, but okay. Now it's 66. No Bluetooth found. I'm actually going to kill the app and bring it back. It found it right away when I wasn't on camera. Here, I'm going to shut the camera off, see what... It finally popped up. Now it's telling me to push the pairing button on the sign. I don't know which one it's pairing with, so I'm going to press both. Okay, so I paired this one. See the little icon right there? I probably didn't show it to you enough, but I'm going to call that the freezer. Okay. Oh, it's loading everything. So much stuff. Okay, so that one is 66.4 degrees. So that one is working. I'm going to actually take the battery out of that one so it quits. You know what? We got one working. Let's see if it's actually in my home now. Oh, it is. Look, it's in my home. It's right there. Along with everything else. So after you get it on there, it puts it on there. So let's go. We got to go back up to the hub. Temp sensors. And we got to add another one. There's another one. Hopefully it's this one right here. it did take, oh, look, it's popping up. It's working this time. Now it says press that button. Done. Now I'm going to call this one fridge. I have a chest freezer and a normal fridge. See if they're both over here. And it is refreshing. It's still getting the data from it. And now it's on Celsius. I wonder why that one switched to Celsius. Let's up this, see if it ups on there. Rub it a little bit. It's on. Okay. Oh, it updated right away. Look at that. It's updating right away. Both of them are on Fahrenheit, even though this one switched over. But I'm sure I can go under the settings and set that up. If this video does really good, I'll go over the settings on this and let you know how it's doing. We'll do a 6-month review on this. Thanks for watching. I think I have everything set up right.